Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assembling parts and opening your NFC writing app. Pick an N tag 213/215/216 tag based on memory needs. Once done, format or wipe existing data on the tag so there's no conflict. Make sure to choose the record type you need, URL, text, or vCard, because that determines how devices read it. Tap the tag to your phone and write a simple test record first to confirm successful communication. This prevents wasted tags and sets a baseline. Now you configure the emergency payload. Craft a minimal vCard or a hosted URL that lists name, emergency contact, allergies, meds, and blood type. You're doing this to keep the tag readable without unlocking and to keep data concise. After writing, optionally set a simple password or configure tag lock settings if you want write protection. Note locked tags can't be rewritten. Make sure to test reading on different phones and apps to confirm universal accessibility. Finish by securing the tag in a keychain housing or with clear shrink tubing, and if using resin, cure fully to avoid signal dampening. Once done, attach to your keyring and test again. Placement matters. The antenna orientation relative to a phone affects read range. If a reader fails, make sure the tag type matches the phone's NFC capability, remove any metal obstruction, and retry with a different app or phone. If still failing, try a fresh tag of the recommended N tag series.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.